Hey y'all, what's up? How's it going? We are back, and today we are unpacking from my month-long trip in Australia and giving you all the guidance on what's packed for your trip to Australia, whether it's for 5 days or 1 month. I would like to make note of the way my voice sounds. I know it sounds awful. I'm pretty sure I permanently damaged my vocal cords 2 months ago. So I'm working through that. We're gonna figure that out. Anyway, I packed for this entire trip in my trusty Baboon to the Moon carry-on bag. I love this bag so much. I've been bringing it on all of my trips. And within the bag, I packed everything in my trip travel gear compression packing cubes, and I'm obsessed with these. I will link all of that stuff in the description for you guys below. They're amazing. I truly put them through the ringer on this trip. If you guys have watched any of my previous packing videos, you know that I like to go through everything that I did pack and then give you guys a list of things I wish I did pack and things I wish I would have left at home so that your packing can be a little bit more efficient and smoother than mine in my experience. Let's go through everything. I have it all laid out, ready to go. And let's get into it. Make sure that you subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment if you have any questions down below. I will be answering them as best I can to help you out. And if you want to see all of the vlogs and guides and all of the shenanigans that were the Australia trip, those are already up. I will link them in one of these corners and down in the description for you below. And let's get into this unpacking. These clothes stink and I would love for them to get washed. First things first is kind of big pieces like dresses. It's got a mesh little top, very long skirt, flowy, perfect for photos and perfect on those hot days when you want a little bit of a breeze going along with you, catching the breeze. This is kind of the same thing, different color. Again, you guys know that I'm a content creator, so a lot of what I'm packing for is cute photos, but I know that everybody wants cute photos. It doesn't matter if you're a content creator or not. So I do wear these while we're doing other things and not just taking photos. So another dress, perfect for the flowy, beautiful, beachy vibe. And all of these dresses can be worn over swimsuits to the beach and stuff like that. And here is a third dress. This one's shorter, perfect for the summer day and over a cute little swimsuit moment. We're just gonna throw it out there, PJs. Don't forget to pack those. I do that all the time. I had some long biker shorts for any kind of more activity type things and to just be a little bit comfy. 4 shirts, a black tank, a white tee, pop of color kind of dressier, cuter tank, and a green basic tank that I could wear for hiking or something, or I could just wear it with a pair of jean shorts and call it a day. Oh, these are filthy, you guys. I'm telling you, we're truly unpacking with me because none of these clothes are clean and I'm getting full flashbacks of the entire trip based off of the way this bag smells. So I had 2 pairs of jean shorts. They're pretty similar, but I just knew that I needed the basics to mix and match. Actually, these ones are my favorite. I wish I had 4 pairs of these jeans in different colors, not gonna lie. I also brought a pair of jeans, which I ended up wearing way more than I thought I would, so don't sleep on that. And they were perfect when I needed to layer, but we'll get to that later. As far as shoes go, I brought 3 pairs. I brought a cute little beachy sandal. I brought a hiking sandal, and I brought a just Birkenstock kind of wear however, whenever you want, kind of slip-on shoe. Honestly, I probably could have left these at home, but I needed them. Personally, you don't necessarily need a hiking shoe of sorts, but we did go to Hawaii beforehand and we did some hiking there. That's why I brought them, but I ended up using them a couple times in Australia, but that was just on longer walking days when we were doing things kind of hiking. But again, if you're not doing that and you're just kind of beach hopping, you don't necessarily need this shoe. And then I had this cute little matching set. Love it, love it. I wore it so much with swimsuits, different tanks. I wore sometimes just the shorts with a swimsuit top. Sometimes I wore just the top to go run down to the beach or into a store or whatever. Honestly, you're gonna live in swimsuits anyway. Speaking of swimsuits, camera battery died. We're back, nobody worry. Anyway, speaking of swimsuits, are we all going to Australia assuming we're gonna be spending time in anything but swimsuits? Or is that just me? Let's just lay it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 swimsuits. I'm gonna be real about the swimsuits. I didn't wear this one once. We're just calling it now. Could have left that one at home, and I bought this one while I was there. If there's any swimsuit that you take note of from this entire little collection that I brought with me to Australia, I hope it's this one. And not because it's cute, but because it's long sleeve. You guys, this one literally is going to save your life in the Australian sun. I can't even say that I was sunburned, but I could tell that my body was so done with being in the sun, but mentally I was not. So when we went snorkeling on like our 15th day in the sun, I put this bad boy on. Game changer. Do yourself a favor, buy yourself a long sleeve swimsuit. I went and bought this one off of Mercari, brand new from somebody else. It was like $20, I think. There are cheap ones you can find. Just do yourself a favor and at least get like a swim shirt or something to like cover your body in the sun that you can still get in the water in. It's going to save you sunburns. It's going to save you sun poisoning. It's going to save you in so many ways. So please, bring all the swimsuits you want. Make sure you at least have one long sleeve swimsuit. You're just gonna be so happy that you listened to me. I also brought 3 pairs of sunglasses and I put them all in this little tiny carrier thing. All of my socks and underwear, and by socks and underwear I mean I brought 2 pairs of socks and the rest of this is underwear because I'm a girl and I'm scared that I'm going to lose control of my body for some reason. We all know we're girls. And I have like 3 bandanas that I used as like accessories in here. So they all fit in this beautiful little packing cube. And my toiletries and makeup. This is obviously a clear liquids bag. I put all of my liquids in this and keep it separated in my bag because every TSA seems to be different and you never know when they're gonna make you pull it. So I just like to keep them all in one spot. And this bad boy, this is my first trip using this. I am thoroughly obsessed. Did you just see how beautiful that just like, stunning. Another place to keep liquids. This is where I kind of like keep my liquid makeup or like the things that I think they're going to question and call me on as liquids in TSA. This has like a couple pockets here. This pocket opens here and in the back. And there's another pocket up here. I kept all my contacts in here, like my makeup eraser rag, all that stuff. But literally makeup and some extra, like my hairbrushes in here, my retainers. This is my toothbrush. It's from a brand called Surrey. It comes with this beautiful little travel carry case and it's eco-friendly. You can take these heads. They're not made of plastic. They're made of compostable material. And when you buy the heads, they send you like a return slip. So you literally can return it to them to compost if you don't compost yourself or recycle in any way. And this case, when you plug it in, you hit this little button and it will sanitize your toothbrush head. I don't know about you guys, but I have a problem with knowing exactly where my toothbrush is at all times. If the head isn't covered and in a place where like I know it's not rubbing against the ground or God knows where, I freak out. So this travel case, I've been using it for about 6 months now, this toothbrush. Absolutely obsessed. It's my best friend. I love dental hygiene, guys. So if you're interested in this, I have linked it down in the description below. And let's get into the things that I wish I would have brought with me. Honestly, the things that I wish I would have brought with me, I just bought. So I'm gonna show you what I bought because I have no control. Actually, I do have control. I never buy myself things. Also, if you see blue marks on any of these, it's because I'm trying to get like the dirt out of them from living in a car for 2 weeks. I got this little like white cover up top. I know it's really similar to that set that I just showed you, but I've always been wanting one of these for photos and stuff like that. And it's so cute. So I just bought myself one of those. It worked as a brilliant extra layer. Sometimes in the sun, like with the swimsuit thing, it was a little bit lighter than that matching set that I showed you. So it was just like a perfect little sun layer. That was something I wish I would have brought. Second is a sweater. I don't know if you guys noticed, but there was no jacket in that list of things that I brought. And surprisingly, some of the places that we were at were cold. Like Melbourne was cold. Definitely needed a jacket. The nights down on like the southern coast of Western Australia, definitely cold and needed some layers. So I got myself a little sweater here. Definitely recommend bringing a sweater or layer of some kind. Another thing that I wish I would have brought was like sweatpants because again, like I said, it's kind of cold. These were pretty thin, again, like great in the sun, but also a great like layer at night. So I just snagged these, but I definitely was like layering these with like other clothes that I had to kind of like keep myself warm. Another thing that I wish I would have brought that I did not buy is another comfy pair of shorts, like a little bit more leaning towards like the pajama shorts thing. Everything just kind of got really dirty really fast because I was doing the road trip and like car camping thing. But if you're not doing that, there's no need for you to bring an extra pair of shorts. I think I would have been just fine and you'll probably be just fine with like the pajama shorts and the matching set pair of shorts. The last thing that I wish I would have had, and this I think will be vital whether you're doing Airbnbs, hotels, or car camping, is a microfiber towel, like a big one. You can use it on the beach. You can use it if you're taking showers in public showers like we did when we were car camping. It would have just been really smart to have and I totally meant to pack one and I did not. So I'm immediately putting that on my list of things that I need to buy before my next long trip. Adding to the list one more thing that I skipped. I also wish I would have just brought like a long t-shirt, not like super long, wear like a dress t-shirt, but like a normal size t-shirt, one that wasn't cropped, just because there were plenty of moments where I was like, oh, I just need to like throw something on, and I didn't have anything to throw on. Let's get to the things that I wish I would have left home. Now, you guys, I have been getting pretty good at this whole packing thing and predicting what I'm gonna need, when I'm gonna need it, and where I'm gonna need it. So these lists keep getting shorter and shorter. They're not like my old videos where it was like long lists, but I still like to do it because even the small little things make a difference. So the first thing I wish I would have left at home was one of the dresses. Honestly, I didn't pull this one out of my bag once, and I thought I would. Of all three that I brought, I thought I would pull this one. I never pulled this one. And another thing I wish I would have left at home was this tank. I never wore it, but I wish I would have just replaced it with a t-shirt that I was just saying at the end of that last little section of things that I wish I would have brought, because I didn't pull this tank once. Honestly, I might be getting rid of this tank because I wasn't even inspired by it while I had it in my bag. And lastly, this is a little one, but I probably could have got away with like just one pair of sunglasses. I think I wore two, and that was just because I was like, oh, I need to mix it up in photos. But again, if you're not hyper focused on the photos and like doing the whole aesthetic cute Instagram thing like I am, bring 3 pairs of sunglasses. And that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I am so ready to wash my stinky clothes. Thank you for unpacking with me and going through the list of things I wish I would have brought and the list of things I wish I would have left at home. I hope you found this video super helpful. If there's anything that you have questions on about packing for Australia or just packing in general and packing really efficiently, please just leave a comment below. And again, if you missed those Australia videos, they're linked for you guys. I would love to have you subscribed here as part of the fam and all the adventures that are about to come. So again, I appreciate you guys so much, and I will see you on the next adventure. Bye!